If you want to download the game Bal-X-Pit without overpaying, don't look further. We have a tutorial to show you how to download this game legally online on your PC without overspending. So what we will do, we will open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game, of course without overspending. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and search up the game Bal-X-Pit. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we can download this game through Steam, but it is quite expensive, €14.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games legally online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Bal-X-Pit, and then select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then select the game and open the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €8.72 compared to the Steam price of €14.99. This will definitely save you money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!